know your thing in mind. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright. Just hit my line all the time. All the time. Oh, you stay on my mind all the time. All the time. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I won't make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay on my mind, stay on my mind. So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know it's true. I was always holding you down. You down. What is love? But even if I told you all about it, our pressure just to add, then we just bad fun. We was living fast.
Cause I'm also gonna
You see that German football player?
Isso, foi incrível. Essa football player. We are done. I have to pick the shoes. I don't think I'm gonna do any jewelry because we're just going to for breakfast. Good morning guys, good morning. It's Thursday today and it's our first day, full day in Egypt, and this is the beginning of our vlog. So guys, hello, I hope you guys are doing good. If you don't remember me, my name is Nogwana Godinich. I'm a South African based in Croatia, and I am bringing you guys a vlog. We're in Egypt with my hubby. So now I am all dressed up, I'm all ready, we're going for breakfast. This is my look. I don't have anything much going on, just, you know, I didn't put any makeup because we're just going for breakfast and we're gonna come back and change for the beach. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing, and you know we have to go because, you know, labantu bazokudla and it's like breakfast time. This is what I'm wearing, this pink skirt, sorry, I'm wearing this pink skirt and this top. My shoes, guys, I have something simple because, guys, it's hot, hey, and I'm just going for breakfast, so I didn't think I should wear anything serious. Without wasting time, because Luca is waiting for me, we're gonna go for breakfast. How can I forget? I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Look at this. Look at the view. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's very beautiful. Like, you guys, look at that. Look at that. The view is gorgeous. This hotel is really beautiful. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see most of this stuff. It's really beautiful out here. Like, look at that. It's very hot, but we are gonna walk. Like, I don't mind. So you guys, that's the deal here. That's what's going on, guys. My husband doesn't care. This is what he's wearing, just his workout things, NJ. But he's gonna change also when we go to the beach. Look how gorgeous he is. It's very windy. I have to ask them to give me this thing, a new one, because this one it keeps coming off, and if you don't have this thing, you know, you can't have access to a lot of things. Morning.
Good morning.
Can I have a new one? This one is coming off. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, you too. So you guys, I got my bracelet thingy for access to everything that we have to go to. Guys, look how gorgeous this place is. It's gorgeous. Look at this. This is a whole like sitting area, you know, where people sit throughout the whole day and have a drink. It's gorgeous. I'm just gonna show you guys around. It's very windy. I hope you guys are able to hear me. How gorgeous this is. Oh, I love this. It's very... Morning, how are you? It's gorgeous. Huh? Yo, the sun, it's very windy and the wind is very hot. Oh, look at this. Look at the pastry. This is Lucas' shit. He likes eating this stuff. Into enjoy sheepa. Thank you. I found that this breakfast is not giving. I'm not going to touch it straight. This is what Valegela. Yes.
Let's go.
See, I told you. We're going back to the hotel room. I'm gonna change the battery and put a charged battery. So, yeah. And then now, guys, we're gonna get ready to go down to the beach. Yo, it's very hot down there, but we have to go. So, hi. On this camera, and then we're gonna put, oh, this one is full. Nice. These ones are black. They're really small. This is how the dress looks. The bag, Yeah, well, I think everything is good. I think it's fine. This is how short the dress is. Got these shoes from Zara. Yeah, I got this from Zara. So I'm thinking these shoes, guys, I think, you know, they go well with this. The bag, I'm gonna take this one. So yeah, sunscreen, some peanuts, and you know, my mirror, lip gloss, hand cream, floss, and then, you know, my small fan. I'm gonna bring these. Abanye bayasuza khona la. Yes, guys, I need to be careful, Ivela. Very careful. I need to watch my steps because this, if one step nje ngiyawa la, boo pants. But guys, look at the views. There's so many. I think there's a lot of space. A lot of people are at the pools. We're gonna find some space to sit down there. Please pray for me, because look at this. One mistake in the pool, and one mistake in the ngiyawa boo. Check up ngiyovala kaxaka. I think we should sit somewhere closer to the bar so we can get a drink. You know, they don't sit, they just put their towels in there and leave. Manje kwenziwe njani-ke mouse will disappear forever thina sifuna ukuhlala thina. But who's gonna sit in the sun? Because definitely not me. We found a seat. It's very windy here. Guys, I need to put my camera down so we can set up, put our towels there. Ooh, this looks sparkly. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
I don't know. Turn up.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I don't wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no baby. In the meantime, it's a me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Baby, hold up myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, I'm fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want.
Guys, I'm not feeling it. Yabo manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi umuntu abuyele kwi-hotel room ngeke. Mina ngithanda ukuthintwa abanye abantu. I want only my men to touch me.
She's talking shit now.
Only my men to touch me. No, kubengakwazi nje ukwenza massage. Look, every time I ask him to do a massage, he uyangigoba like.
He says no.
He puts his fingers like on my skin. Uyangigoba. Buka nje manje, yo look ayingeke. Because you don't know how to. Akakwazi. He doesn't know how to do massage. But hey, he's my man. If sweaty, salty, the salt water. Guys, umuntu usuka le ezantsi emzantsi ezingomzindlovu. Ooh, that air. Yeah. A shower a shower, guys. I need a shower. It's not far down there. Inkingila my step is. Hold the camera.
She's opening the doors for her man.
Yeah, because the man doesn't know how to.
She's gonna break the key.
Food. Guys, oh. So sweaty. Oh, Kashisa. Yo. Guys, listen to the music. The music is so quiet. The music is so quiet, and now she's just gonna relax. It's not like, I mean, it's not hot here, but also at the same time, it's okay, I guess. So let's see if we have Wi-Fi here. Is it working?
4G.
I don't understand. How is it your internet is working and mine is not? Look, guys, I want to mention, I'm not gonna stop ordering these cocktails because just go order the cocktails. It's to say in.
The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
Damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know.
So guys, this is the snake that I picked. Of course, my snake is salty snake because I don't like sweet stuff. Hey guys, I come back. It's almost 6. So now we're gonna go for dinner. Oh, dinner starts at 6:30. So we still have time. I'm still wearing the same thing. I didn't change because, hey guys, we still have like 5 days to go. So we have to save our clothes. So what are you gonna wear? Guys, I'm gonna have to pick for you. I'm thinking this shirt or pants. Someone is here. Hi, how are you? Towels. Oh, thank you so much. We have to exchange, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Hey, I like it. Nice. Do you like it? How do you feel about it?
It's nice.
No.
I look good like Charlie Sheen.
Hey, who's Charlie Sheen, man? Look.
That guy from 2.5 Men, that Charlie. The show that you always watching. The two brothers.
Ah, the one who likes shirts. Yes, that looks much better. Guys, what do you guys think? I think he looks gorgeous. I love his shirt. I picked this shirt. I bought it actually. I love it. Look at him. He looks gorgeous. He looks gorgeous. Guys, yonke muntu iyaphithizela manje for dinner.
And yeah, I needed to give them your haircut and Madeda. I needed to give them our numbers. Hey, I'm okay.
Luca, I have to get clothes. These things are gonna be too heavy.
Put your hand up to hand, massage it very good, then apply it on your clothes. Apply, don't be worried. It doesn't flake, it doesn't stamp on the clothes because no chemicals inside. This is how the perfume used. Only 2 drops on the hand, mix it good by this way, apply it on the clothes and behind.
That looks so pigmented.
Sad nema ništa.
Dobire savaş.
Luca just bought us the Egyptian perfumes. Let's go. Thank you so much. Oh, it's a go Egypt.
Snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Right now, polished 10 toes down. Yeah. Good better get it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. It's Friday today, and it's 7:30. Breakfast has already started. I'm getting ready, but I'm not gonna do breakfast today because my tummy is not good for some reason. But you know, this was very much expected because, guys, the food here is I don't know. I'm just mixing a lot of things, you know, because I want to try everything, and I don't know if I don't try it today, are they gonna have it tomorrow? So it's just one of those moments where you just kind of stuffing yourself with everything. So I'm going to go and chill at the bar where we had our drinks yesterday during lunchtime. So that's where I'm gonna chill. I think Luca is gonna go and have breakfast, and I'm just gonna chill there because I'm gonna skip breakfast. Maybe I can do lunch. Hopefully by lunchtime my tummy is better. Yeah, but I don't know if I should leave my hair in a ponytail like this, or should I let it down and try to do a different style? Because one thing about me, I don't know how to style braids. Like, the only style I can do is just leave them in a ponytail, and I would love to try something different.
Watching real time, wait to live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown friends. You don't need a man, got your own friends. No kid, money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back at knees in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many fall in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back.
Hi, how are you? Sorry? Oh, Noxy. Nice meeting you. Guy, like the one who was working in the morning, he's been taking pictures with me. He was asking to take pictures with me. So many pictures. I even like offered, okay, let me just take one picture with my phone. Yo, I don't know why I did that, but hey, guys, do you guys love my bag? Hello. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, this looks pretty.
Let's finish.
Let me just finish it. Sorry.
No.
Guys, look how pretty this cocktail is. This is so pretty. I don't know, for some reason this is not what I asked for, because I asked him for the same cocktail that I had, the orange cocktail, but he brought me this one. It's okay. Guys, I was showing you my bag. Yo, my bag matches with my outfits. Everything is matching. I have a yellow top, and this bag has some yellow going on here, and this is orange. My skirt is orange. Honey, we're not done. My phone, the case is orange. Same thing I got yesterday. This sweet stuff. 2 hours. I still have the same cocktail. Hey. Hi. I'm still at the same place. Okay. Bye. Hubby is coming. He's been swimming for 3-4 hours. Jesus, this man. Hey guys, I've been overweight and this thing I see there. Swim for 4 hours. Does that make any sense? Tango.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
One water for you.
Yes.
2 minutes, yeah?
Okay, thank you. I had like a couple, because now they said something like they can have up to like 4 wives. Here's my hubby. Hey baby. Hey. You've been gone forever. You're so sweaty.
What's going on here?
Nothing, just vlogging. In Zanzibar. Hey, look, I ordered a nice cocktail.
No cocktail, no alcohol.
My cocktail.
Alcohol, yeah?
Why? It's non-alcoholic.
No, tango.
This non-alcoholic.
Yeah.
Ah.
No
No,
alcoholic.
guys, look, I ordered a cocktail. There is non-alcoholic. Why?
No alcoholic. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you.
why?
No, thank you.
Ovile kuluka manje useXove ama-mix because there was green, orange.
I Instagram.
Sorry?
Instagram.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Who, me or him?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Him?
No, no. He.
Not him. You on Instagram? His
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah. Okay.
I know that's not what I mean.
Yeah.
Guys, it's 6:30. It's dinner. It's dinner time. It's 6:30 and it's dinner time. It's very windy as always. I just don't understand how is it always so windy here. So we're gonna go for dinner because dinner is starting now. I don't even know what we're gonna be eating tonight. Hopefully it's nothing that's gonna upset my tummy because my tummy is already fully upset. I'll see you guys sometime. I don't know when, but I'll see you guys. Bye. It's not our language. This is what I'm having for dinner. Just, guys, I don't know. The only thing that I know is here is rice. The rest, honestly, I don't know what it is. Kuno patata lana, tomatoes. I know that my tummy is gonna give me an issue because I haven't fully recovered, but I'm just trying not to miss dinner. Let's see. Wow.
Everything is okay? That's why.
Yes. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Red wine. Some of the things we're eating them for the experience. We're trying not to miss out, okay? This looks like goat's meat for some reason. Even the texture, it's giving goat meat. Guys, the wine is not really tasty. It's so bad. I drink red wine. I love red wine, but you see this one, this is wild. This is some ugly ass wine. Guys, let me go. Hey guys, we are up. We're going to an island. Guys, we are sick. Siakula, shame like siakula, but we're gonna go there. It's not doing us any favors. We are sick. Now we're both sick. It was me, now it's him. It's really bad, guys. Oh, I couldn't even show you guys my outfit.
Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why
when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're sure the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy.
Let me talk to my lovers. Hey guys, so we're done with this whole trip today. Now we're going home. Yo, katele, kashisa, katele. But anyway, we're done with this whole trip. Now we're going home. I can't wait to be on that bus. I think it's gonna be like an hour. I'm gonna be sleeping there for sure because I'm really tired, shame. And I'm going on in a bikini, shame. I'm not putting on my top. Hey, Habibi, come to Egypt. Naam, Habibi. Why is everybody looking at me? Oh, it's so cool.
So everybody here is going to see the Golden Bay, yes? Yes.
Hey guys, we are home. I took a shower. I had to wash my braids today because I did swim a little bit, and you know they were very salty. The water is so salty here. So I'm all dressed up. I'm going for dinner. Luca is gonna sleep. He's not feeling well, but I'm hungry because we didn't eat today. We did this trip the whole day, and yeah. And tomorrow we're doing another trip. We're gonna go early in the morning again. And guys, I'm not gonna vlog dinner today. I just don't think I don't see the point of vlogging the same dinner every day, because to be honest, the food, there's not a lot of options. The food is like almost the same. So I'm not gonna be vlogging dinner today. I'm just gonna go eat and come back. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on our other trip. I don't think we're gonna be late. We're going to the desert and we are late, guys. We're not late. As always, I always think we're late. Oh, to the desert, up we go. Guys, I'm trying to vlog, but I don't know how because it's very windy as. But anyway, guys. guys. Yo, Katele. I could cry right now. I could cry. Shame Katele. So guys, today we went to that trip in the desert. Yeah, sakibela ama camels, sakibela nalezi kuta zakhona. I don't even know what that thing is called. Yo guys, like I'm really tired. We've been doing these trips. I mean, yesterday we did this trip. We went to the island, and then today we did this one. I think we came back like 2 hours ago, and we left at like 7:40 something. So we came back like 2 hours ago, and I was so dusty. My clothes were so dusty, and yo, I needed to take a shower first before anything, and I had to wash my braids as well because they were so dirty. So like right now I've been trying to relax, but yo, I can't because I'm trying to edit a little bit of my video because I need some space on my phone. So I'm just gonna get dressed, and you know, yeah, I just thought I should show you guys my outfit today. Hey guys, I am back. So guys, I am ready to go to dinner. I'm going for dinner, and this is my outfit. This top that I got from Shein, and this skirt, oh, I love it. I got this here in Egypt when we went for that trip shopping. The shoes, I got these shoes. Like, I just thought it would make sense, this green top and these shoes, because they're green. I just got, you know, the ring, you know, just to make a statement. And then I got this going on, nothing much, also just this. And yeah, I'm not gonna put like a necklace, I'm just gonna go like this. And this is how my face looks. I'm gonna flip the camera, I want you guys to see it. So makeup, you know, there's a lot of shimmer going on there because I tried to, you know, not put a lot of makeup and then put you know, some shimmer, you know, just to make sure I shine. As you guys can see there, my nose, you know, up here, I just put some glittery stuff going on. Guys, I don't even know what to call it. And you know, I have this body spray that has some shimmer, it has some glitter. I put it, you know, just to kind of have that glitter going on my skin as well. So yeah, this is how I look. I changed my hairstyle today on my braids. It's like a half up, half down. Yes, half up, half down, and I love it. My braids, I had to wash my braids today again, guys, because yo, so I washed my braids. They look so good, they look so clean. My head, my scalp is actually really clean. Luckily we have a hair dryer here, so it makes things so easy when it makes things so easy for me when I wash my braids. Like when I'm gonna go swimming and, you know, I come back and my braids are not clean, I can just wash them. So this is what's going on. I'm gonna go outside to get the natural lights, because right now I'm using the lighting in the house. Or it's just, you know, I don't have to go outside, I can just stand here. So you guys can see, like, you see that shimmery? Not a lot, just a little bit, you know, just to make a statement in my nose, and just like that, and on my skin. You know, it doesn't show a lot on camera, but you know. And you know, I did my baby hair today. Yeah, nice. And yeah, this is how I look. So guys, yeah, we're gonna go for dinner. I'm not gonna vlog, as I said, I'm not gonna vlog this dinner because guys, we're eating the same thing. So guys, I will see you guys when we come back. See you guys later, and we're gonna talk. Love y'all.
It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah. up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. Ain't need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my poly, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm gang about that. Faded up for you, too gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave me so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. Well, bitch, on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. They just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline.
Umari nama. Iyo. This is bright. Okay. She's ashamed. This air conditioner is not giving. Guys, I didn't vlog a lot today. Shame, I'm so tired. Yo, guys, that ride from to the desert yesterday, yo, it was a bumpy ride. My back is so painful. So today we went to the beach in the morning and then we came back. I took a shower and then we went for lunch. I ate a lot today. I really ate a lot. Like, I ate a lot because I haven't been eating much because of, you know, the diarrhea. So I've been mostly drinking cocktails. I brought some cocktails with me to go. Guys, yo, this guy put, I think he put this much alcohol and I was literally there. I was watching. So I'm not gonna drink. I'm probably gonna drink maybe this much right now because I already did have cocktails while we were sitting there at the bar. And then now I don't see myself drinking all this. Like, no way, Jose. Because, yo, it's so strong and this thing is so sweet. They call this cocktail tango. So, like, yo, can you imagine? I think this is enough right now because it's very sweet and very alcoholic. There's so much alcohol. These guys, it's like sometimes I feel like they're just trying to get you drunk on purpose. Because, yo, I don't know what's the plan tomorrow, guys. Yo, I don't know what's the plan. I needed to eat. Shame, I was so hungry because we didn't eat breakfast and we didn't have dinner today because we had lunch and we had a lot of lunch. We had a lot of food. Like, we ate a lot. So the plan tomorrow is Luca is going to the beach. And guys, we're leaving on Wednesday. So, yo, since we're leaving on Wednesday, yeah, guys, yo, I just wanna pack. So like tomorrow, I'm gonna be here. I'm not going to the beach. I'm really just not sure about the beach tomorrow. But guys, anyway, like, I'm so sleepy. I'm really tired. So guys, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Like, I think I'm gonna sleep now because I'm really tired. Shame, like, I'm trying so hard to hold myself from sleeping. I'm gonna finish this drink and ngalala. I have to put this in the fridge.
See my days are without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way.
Hey guys, it's Wednesday today. Like guys, we're leaving today, and like it's it's almost 5, mind you. So our flight is gonna be at 8, so it's almost 5, and we have to leave the hotel. We were supposed to leave the hotel at 4:45, but I know that's not gonna happen because these people are just giving you that time just to get you ready and get you to be there in time, but they come literally like even 20 minutes later. So we're ready, and honestly nothing much going on with my outfit, and my suitcase is all there ready. Yeah, like we're just ready to go. We're ready to get out of here. I'm so ready. I want to get out of here. I'm so tired of this vacation already. I get tired of vacation. Right now it's just one of those moments where I'm like, you know what, fuck the shit, I'm gonna go home. Actually knowing that there's a lot of unpacking to do and the laundry that we're gonna have to do. But yeah, but guys, what is going on? Why do I look like this? But yeah, we're leaving Egypt today. We're gonna be there early. I love that. Probably around like 11, 12, I don't know, something, but somewhere around there. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna vlog this whole going home thing today because I don't see the point. Excuse me, it's just us going back home. So yeah. So Mina, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing, you know, these pants. I bought these pants from here actually, and some Crocs, because guys, one of the things about a flight, you're gonna have to wear something comfortable. This is what Luca is wearing. I mean, he's looking really good. So guys, I will see you when I get to Croatia. Love ya. And let's say bye bye to the hotel. Probably never come here ever again. Hey guys, we are back. It's Saturday today, so I wasn't able to vlog on Wednesday to finish the vlog, and I'm going to finish the vlog today on Saturday. Guys, by the way, another thing I want to show you guys is the perfumes that we got in Egypt. It's actually 4 of them. I had to like choose from the perfumes that they were giving us to test, like how they smelled and everything, if you like any. And then, you know, we had to like pick, you know, whatever we wanted. So we picked like 4, and then I got 2, he got 2. These were so expensive. These were so expensive because these are oil perfumes, literally just oil perfumes. They don't have any alcohol, no water, nothing. They're just original, like, you know, raw oil perfumes or whatever. But that's what the guys were saying there. So hopefully they didn't sell us a manga. So this is how the perfumes come. This is how they come in a box, like this cute red box. This is the book that, you know, they were giving everybody, so you are able to pick from here. You can actually pick from the perfumes that are already well known, or you could pick from their own perfumes. For me, I picked 19 is Queen Cleopatra. Guys, this is how it's written here, right here, 19. Guys, the second one that I took, 26, it's Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights, like Arabian day. So yeah, the second one that I took is 19, and Luca took men's perfume. Number 9 was papyrus. Yo, guys, this English, it's papyrus. The second one that Luca took, he actually took the one that is well known because he liked it. I liked it too, actually. I mean, it's a very well known perfume, but what is the name? Because you can see it doesn't even have a number here. It's this one, this Savage. Savage, this is Savage. But you guys, I think you guys already know this Savage. I mean, obviously they come in different, you know, smells or whatever, but you know, it's still like from Savage. The bottle is like their own bottles. They just, you know, put them in here and you know, they wrap it up so you know this thing doesn't break. I have 2 of these and Luca also has 2. And you know, with the with these perfumes came a gift. This is the gift that they gave you. This is like something you can put your oil perfumes in, which is what I'm gonna do. This is why this is why this is pink, because you know, obviously Luca is a man. He's not gonna keep, you know, so yeah, this is something that you can put your oil perfumes in, and you know, just so you don't waste them, because these are oil perfumes. They don't evaporate like, you know, alcohol or whatever. So you know, they even taught us how you use them. So this thing, you know, you put your perfume here, your oil perfume, and you can just dab, you know, you don't spray them like, you know, the alcohol perfume, because obviously it's oil. So best we brush up in your clothes, brush in your clothes. I think you can also do this on your body as well if you want it to stick on your body, and especially because it's oil, I think that's the best. So yeah, you guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Yo guys, this is my from my perfume. By the way, you guys, we're gonna close this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you stay tuned, and I will try by all means to keep bringing you guys these vlogs. Tell your friends that I have a YouTube channel so they can come and watch. We're gonna talk on my next video. I love you so much. Please keep coming back, and I'll be here to bring you these vlogs. Love y'all. See you on my next one. Bye. Give me the to the Congo.